Hi guys, welcome to Potion Tech HD, and in this video you will see some dye ideas which will take your home to the next level. You can check here how beautifully he is making side table for the bed, and she is very fast worker. You can check here how fast she will make this table with the clarity and cleanness of the wood. These are making the frame for holding something like as beautiful plants and so many other things which we can decorate in it. Here you can check that she is making the beautiful gadget for hanging on the wall. This is a totally amazing creation by this lady. This man is going to set the lights under the stairs, and he is setting the lights. This man is sizing the wood for arranging on the wall, and just within 5 steps he will do this. You can check here.